Greetings for the day. I am Kesav Murthy, an HR cum management consultant based in Coimbatore. This video is about looking at a typical issue or a typical situation in a career life of a corporate executive and trying to find what are the alternatives available to resolve that situation and then achieve the objective. The case goes like this. Mr. Anand is a brilliant MBA student. While studying, his aim was to go and work in a foreign land with an MNC. After his education, he got a job in MNC, but location is in Chennai. So now half the aim is achieved, but then he has to work in India, but not in foreign land. He is doing very well for the past 3 years and then achieved most of the targets. He is in the good books of the Chennai head of that particular company and also the Indian head of that particular company based in Delhi. And based on the reports of these two heads, he was given promotion and he was given increments, pay hikes, etc. And he was also happy. Based on the reports, the MD of the company who sits in London, he writes to the Indian head about Anand. He wants to know whether Anand can be transferred to London, whether Anand is willing to get transferred to London to serve in the headquarters in London. But Indian head thinks for a while and then decides that if Anand goes to London, the entire Indian operations performance may get disturbed. So he writes back to the MD without consulting Anand that Anand is not in a position to relocate to London because of the sickness of his mother. This incident is known to Anand after several months, and he is not 100% sure of the incidents, but the rumors are doing rounds in the Indian offices. He is very much worried and disappointed that he lost an opportunity to go to the foreign land and serve in a foreign country. Now, as a consultant, let us look at what are the alternatives available to Anand. How do we advise him or how do we analyze the various alternatives for him, and then the final decision can be taken by him. Alternative one is Anand do nothing. He ignores the incidents or the rumor and then he is working as usual as he was working in the past. Based on his performance, he may get an opportunity in the future months or years to come. So that may be the objective. But then there is one catch in this, that even the future opportunity may be aborted by somebody else or by the Indian head himself. The alternative two is Anand can talk to the Chennai head. Because the Chennai head is very close to him, he knows about Anand, he can talk to the Chennai head. But the Chennai head may reply saying that it is a rumor and then he may even advise not to pursue on this matter further. So that will be the consequence of talking to the Chennai head. The third alternative is he can talk to the Delhi head. Delhi head again obviously will say it is a rumor and there is no truth in it. And then he may be embarrassed by the question of the Anand on this matter, and he may give some trouble in future months to come for Anand because he is questioning the Indian head. So this also is a bad consequence for Anand in case he talks to the Indian head. The fourth alternative is to talk to the MD directly. The MD may or may not remember these incidents. Suppose he remembers the incidents and if he talks to the Indian head may get embarrassed. That again will put a lot of trouble for Anand depending on the personality of the Indian head. Or the Indian head may instruct or the MD may instruct the Indian head saying that organize transfer of Anand to London. And then the Indian head also will obey the orders of the MD and then make arrangements to transfer Anand to London. So Anand may land up a job in London, but then again the Indian aid may directly or indirectly likely to disturb him. So these are the alternatives available to Anand. Then Anand should consider all these alternatives, the pros and cons of these alternatives, and then should take an informed decision with a calculated risk. There is no right and wrong alternative in this case. It all depends on the seriousness of the situation. It all depends on the personalities involved in the incidents. I hope you corporate executives also face such situation in your career life, and you can also look at various alternatives before jumping into a final decision. I hope this video is useful to all of you. Thank you for listening. For many such videos on education, employment, and self-development, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you will get notifications on our future videos. Thank you once again.